Hi, Sophie Andrell here. I'm just getting ready for our workshop this Thursday. In case you weren't aware of it, it's a workshop to help you plan your events or sales. And I will be taking you through what I do with my clients or with the nonprofits that I help. You're going to actually leave with an event planned out. So we're going to use some of the tools that I use, sharing some of my tools with you, both the written tools and a lot of the apps that I use to help. So we're going to start with creating a sales event or sales audit together. It's a strategy that I have that we look at other events to see what they're doing, the dates, the partners, the hashtags, all sorts of things we need to do. And that happens 4 months before an event normally is what I like to do. So we're going to talk about what you do 4 months before the event, your purpose, your branding, your hooks, which really means your unique value proposition to your event, the hashtags, the partners. Then we talk about the tools and the apps that you're going to need for the event. And I have all sorts of different tools that I use, so I'll be sharing with you some of them and how we use them for different events and repurpose the materials you use across different platforms. Again, whether it's an event that's a nonprofit or whether it's a sales event that you're planning. So there are certain tools that we use, and then we also have some apps and online tools that people aren't leveraging to the degree they should. There's something that you can do on your Google listing for events. Here's an example of someone that's doing it well. So there are all sorts of little tools that I'll be sharing with you. And then I'm going to talk about what you need to do on your communications plan. So we're actually going to create your communications plan for an event starting 3 months ahead. And then what you're going to do the week before, what you're going to do the day before, what you're going to do the day of, and what you're going to do during the event. So I have all sorts of checklists that I'll be sharing with you and taking you through, and then examples of folks that are doing it well. So I hope to see you on Thursday. You can still sign up. The workshop is between 1 and 4 o'clock at the Chamber of Commerce in Peterborough. See you there.